Forno Appliances introduces you to the 30-inch microwave drawer model 3000-30, designed to be seamlessly installed built in a counter or in wall. Stainless steel construction provides a modern and stylish look that complements any kitchen decor. Sturdy and robust door handle. Powered by 1,000 watts of cooking power. Easy-to-use touch controls with LED display. Convenient auto touch feature allows for easy opening and closing of the microwave drawer. The interior accommodates a 1.2 cubic feet capacity. Easily melt or soften butter, chocolate, cheese, ice with pre-programmed settings. Start the microwave with one touch and increment of 30 seconds. Enjoy multiple microwave modes such as defrost, popcorn, and beverage heating. Sensor reheat and sensor cook takes out the guesswork needed to reheat your food. Comes with a defrosting rack. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.